Over time, the teeth of your saw blade will accumulate this residue, also known as pitch. This buildup can dramatically affect the performance of your blade, leading one to believe that their blade either needs to be sharpened or replaced, when in reality the blade just needs a good cleaning. I like to use industrial blade cleaner for this. You can also simply use soap and water, but there's a little bit more scrubbing involved. I let the blade soak for a while, and then naturally I brush those teeth with a toothbrush. I save a little bit of money by recycling the blade cleaner. I've been using the same bottle for the last couple of years. If you've never tried this, you will really be surprised by how much this will increase your blade's performance. Thanks for watching. This has been another shortcut. Be sure to like this video and click on the subscribe button for future content. And also head on over to rkwoodworking.com for all my other woodworking related content. I hope to see you over there, and we'll see you next time.